Hey there, YouTube family. Good evening, and I hope everybody is doing good out there. I've got little Giovanna with me tonight, and what we're going to do is we are going to prepare those amazing dough balls that we made just about 10 hours ago. And we're going to do the first one we're going to do, of course, is going to be pepperoni and cheese. We got to get that one out. That's right. And then we're going to do a really special one with black truffles, mushroom, mozzarella, and prosciutto. Yeah. So I hope you guys stick with us. Check the link out above if I haven't already put it up there. Little Lucas is joining in to show you how to make those fantastic pizza balls at home. I hope you guys enjoy. They won their basketball game tonight, so we're going to celebrate with some wine, some pizza. I've got some barbecue ribs going on, and we're gonna enjoy, guys. So stick with us, smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing, smashing that subscribe button, click that bell. You get notified when Old Red puts up a video. I put together at least 2 a week. So I hope you guys enjoy, be good, and let's get at it, y'all.
That's great. So soft. Today, my time you can make pizza. Me too. My turn. I want to make. Today, I like your pizza.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Say something?
I'm good.
Yeah?
I'm good. Whoa. Hey, Dad, I'm good. De tudo. A gente vai pegar massa. Hey, Dad, I don't want to do it.
Daddy will do this one, okay?
A little bit. Whoa, I like cheese. Hey, Dad, I like that one to eat my finger. So hot.
And go ahead and put cheese.
Yeah. Cheese. Pepperonis. That one. And that one. And mashed. And the pepperonis.
Alright, is that good?
Yeah.
Alright, olive oil.
Yeah, olive oil. I like boiled.
Alright guys, now we just sit and wait. All we got to do now is wait about 7 to 10 minutes. We got it at about 440 right now. That's good enough for home. And sometimes I bump it up to 500. Totally depends. But we're going to keep it at 440, 7 to 10 minutes. We're in no hurry. Everyone's having fun. So let's have a good time. I hope you guys are doing good, drinking your adult beverages or your chocolate milks. And give me that good old thumbs up, and we'll talk to you guys in just a few minutes. So I'm not going to do all the pizzas on camera tonight because that would be way too many. I've got about 8 to do. I'm going to do this pepperoni. I'm going to do this next one, which is going to be prosciutto with arugula. And then I'm going to do the most special one of all, which is going to be the truffled mushroom with prosciutto. Mille grazie. Look at this. Huh? It's beautiful. It's crusty. Let's let the kids eat it. This is their pizza. Let them decide who did what tonight. Peace! So what do you think of the pizza? Was it good?
Yeah! It's amazing!
Yeah.
Maravilhosa.
Oh, bye. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.
Good night.
You guys want some more?
Yes.
Yeah! That's what's up. I gotta go make more pizza. Hey guys, it was that simple. Giovanna, I hope you guys like it. She's in here, she's helping, she loves to help Dad out, especially with pizza night. Noite da pizza, as we say here. So cheers to everybody out there in YouTube land. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to me. Cheers. So we got the pizza in there at 440. It's gonna take 7 to 10 minutes to cook. We're in no hurry whatsoever. Sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, y'all. When the moon hits your eye like a great pizza pie, that's amore. Tonight was an amazing night. I tried the new pizza recipe, for me new, from Vito. Man, I prefer his recipe over my recipe that I had done a couple years ago. So Vito, grazie mille. So I'm gonna continue to go with that recipe just because it is so airy and crunchy and light and perfect, and I can't wait to try it out on a wood-fired oven. I did all of this at home in my oven at 440 degrees, and the very last couple pizzas I bumped it up to 450 just because it was getting a little harder to do after so many pizzas. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So for the very last pizza, I wanted to recreate what I had Felice over at Mara Forni made for us, which was a Urbani brand, and it was black truffles and mushroom with prosciutto and mozzarella bufala with a little bit of really good olive oil. Look what I got here. It smells so good. And look at that. It's good. There you go. It smells delicious. Let's give it a go. You guys have to get you some of that Urbani. I'll leave a link to where you can get it off of Amazon. It is so good. No pizza sauce. So meaty, tender, earthy, flavorful. The pizza feels absolutely rich. And it's because of the quality ingredients. So y'all, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Cheers to all of you. Thank you. We did a whole bunch of videos today, but tonight, the very end was the best of all. So thank you. Smash that like button. Please subscribe. And let's not forget that on this journey of barbecue and pizza, that it's all about love, family, passion, and barbecue, y'all. Cheers. I love you.